We have some breaking news I want to get to you out of New Zealand. A powerful 7.8 magnitude earthquake hit this morning. Let's bring in CNN Weather's Allison Chinchar. Allison, what do we know about this?
We do know that the magnitude has intensified. It was originally estimated around a 7.4, so they have upgraded it to a 7.8. Now, one positive thing is the depth was a little bit shallower at 10 kilometers. They've now upped that to about 23 kilometers, which is just about 15 miles, give or take. So you have to understand that the shallower the earthquake is, the more likely it is to cause damage. So the fact that we now know it was a little bit deeper, that does give us a little bit of hope that maybe the damage will be significantly less. However, the magnitude also went up. So that also means that it was a stronger earthquake. So in terms of overall, it may not making much of a difference that the depth ended up being a little bit deeper.
Either way. Shit. Shit. उधर भी लगी है. Holy. Whoa.
7th floor. This is my apartment after the earthquake. I am on 7th floor in Wellington.
Yeah, no, I'm just gonna go home. Holy.
이번 너무 긴데? 저번 차야겠다 우리 지금.
우선 나갈까 우리?
나가자.
그래. 나가야지. 빨리 나가자. 야.
이거는 좀 너무 쓰고.
I was had just actually laid down on my bed, sort of thinking about getting ready for bed, and all of a sudden the bed started wobbling, and it got more and more sort of intense. And I thought, okay, this is getting a bit serious. And yeah, it continued on and on and on. Yeah, and it sort of got quite concerning.
We're looking at some of the videos that you managed to take during the incident. What exactly can we see in those pictures?
That's actually our dining, our kitchen fluoro light, which hangs over our kitchen bench. And yeah, she had a good sway on it. I was actually, the earthquake continued for probably a good 2 minutes, possibly even 3 minutes. That's how long it was. I believe there were possibly two sort of back to back. And it allowed me enough time to actually send out a tweet or two whilst the earthquake continued. And we had just one only just a moment ago. I believe it was about a 6.1, and it was only about 5 minutes ago. They're still coming.
Why the trolleys are sitting over there?
Around the country, people are moving to higher ground. In Wellington, people have gone up Mount Victoria, Wainuiomata, anywhere around the coast, they have moved to higher ground. And certainly the advice at this stage is to stay where you are. We have just got something through from St John Ambulance here. St John is sending its command unit towards Kaikoura. There are potential issues with the roads. However, they're hoping to get X to Hanmer Springs and to Kaikoura by